If you searched your brand in ChatGPT right now, would it describe you the way you describe yourself? Probably not. And that's a bigger problem than where you rank on Google. In this video, we're looking at exactly how to make your brand the obvious choice for AI engines. You probably think ranking in AI search is exactly like traditional SEO. You assume you just need to build a bunch of backlinks, stuff some keywords into your posts, and cross your fingers. But here's the reality. AI actually doesn't care about your links alone. It cares about your entire online entity. If you want to dominate AI search results, you have to stop chasing links and start feeding the machine what it actually wants. Stick around for step 3. That's where most brands either get cited constantly or vanish completely. But let's kick things off with step 1. Strengthen your entity signals everywhere online. AI search visibility really boils down to one simple question. Does the internet know exactly who you are? Consistently across the entire web? If you want to help AI understand your business, you need to get your story straight across the entire web. Make sure your brand description is identical on every profile, directory, and social account you have. When you stop using different bios everywhere, you stop confusing the algorithms. But AI doesn't just read facts, it actually scans for emotion. If people are complaining about you on a random niche forum, the AI notices and might use this information. So, now that you are locked in your brand consistency everywhere online, we need to get others talking about you. That brings us to step 2. Increase high-authority brand mentions. Like I mentioned earlier, AI algorithms don't actually need hyperlinks to understand a shoutout. So, how do you actually earn those mentions? You, or even better, your founder, need to actively step out from behind the desk. Start pitching yourselves for industry podcasts, jumping on conference stages, and partnering with influencers who can naturally weave your name into their content. When an AI sees your leadership sharing real expertise out in the wild, it instantly wires all that personal authority right back to your brand. This is where a tool like Mentionlytics earns its keep. It surfaces every unlinked mention across social, news, and forums, so you can see who's already talking about you and where the gaps are. To give people a valid reason to mention you, you have to build a credibility wall. Sit down and write an original industry report, a customer survey, or a statistical breakdown. AI engines love original data, and other sites will naturally quote your statistics, feeding those unlinked brand mentions right back into the machine. So, the internet is finally talking about you. Now, we just have to serve up your content on a silver platter. Let's look at step 3. Make your content incredibly easy to quote. You still have to write for human readers, but you need to turn your content into AI bait. What does this actually mean? You have to create content that AI will want to quote. Start by giving it the exact answers it's looking for. Write punchy summaries. Put a direct 2 to 3 sentence summary or definition right at the top of your pages so the AI can instantly copy and paste your exact words. Publish original data. Hook the algorithms by releasing hard, undeniable facts, like an original industry report or statistical breakdown, forcing the AI to cite your exact numbers as the primary source. Build comparison pages. Create a simple, visually organized layout that clearly compares your features and pricing against competitors, which quite literally does the AI's homework for it. Just make sure every detail matches perfectly across your site. If your main text says one price but your FAQ says another, the AI gets confused, assumes you're unreliable, and drops you completely. So, to wrap this up, lock in your brand consistency everywhere online. Build true authority through unlinked mentions, and structure your content so AI can easily extract answers. What part of AI search is confusing you the most right now? Let me know in the comments below so I can cover it in my next video.